Making a noise complaint.
Excuse me, I am staying in room 214.
Yes, how can I help you tonight?
There is a lot of noise from the room next to mine.
I am sorry to hear that. Is it very loud?
Yes, I cannot rest properly.
I understand. When did it start?
About 30 minutes ago.
Is it still continuing now?
Yes, it is still very noisy.
Is it music or just talking?
It is loud music and people talking.
Thank you for explaining.
I tried to ignore it, but it is difficult.
I understand your situation.
I have an early meeting tomorrow morning.
That sounds important.
Yes, I need good sleep tonight.
Of course, we will help you.
I did not want to complain too early.
You did the right thing by telling us.
I hope it can be solved quickly.
I will contact that room right now.
Thank you very much for that.
May I confirm your room number again?
Yes, it is 214.
Thank you for confirming.
Do you think they will stop the noise?
Yes, we will ask them politely.
That is good to hear.
If needed, we can also move you.
I prefer to stay here if possible.
That is no problem. We will try first.
Thank you for your help.
Please wait a few minutes.
Booking a taxi at the hotel.
Excuse me, I need a taxi, please.
Of course. Where do you need to go?
I need to go to the airport.
What time is your flight?
My flight is at 11 in the morning.
What time would you like to leave?
Around 8 o'clock.
Yes, that is a good time.
Is the airport far from here?
It takes about 30 minutes.
Is traffic usually heavy?
Yes, in the morning it can be busy.
Then 8 o'clock is better.
I agree with you.
Can you book the taxi for me?
Yes, I will do it now.
Thank you very much.
May I have your room number?
Room 318.
Do you have luggage?
Yes, one suitcase and a small bag.
That is fine.
Should I wait in the lobby?
Yes, please wait at the entrance.
How early should I come down?
5 minutes before 8.
Okay, I will do that.
Your taxi is confirmed.
That is very helpful.
Do you need help with bags?
No, I can manage.
Have a safe trip.
Thank you for your help. Getting a library card.
Excuse me, I would like a library card.
Sure. Are you new here?
Yes, I am visiting for a few months.
That is fine. Visitors can get a card.
That is great.
May I see your ID, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you very much.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, your local address.
I am staying with my cousin.
Please write the address here.
Okay, I will write it.
Also, your phone number, please.
Sure, here it is.
Thank you.
How long is the card valid?
It is valid for 6 months.
How many books can I borrow?
You can borrow 5 books.
How long can I keep them?
For 2 weeks.
Can I renew them later?
Yes, you can renew online.
That is very convenient.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like history books.
We have many history books.
That sounds perfect.
Here is your library card.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your time here.
Mailing a package at the post office.
Excuse me, I want to mail this package.
Sure, please place it here.
Here you go.
Where is it going?
It is going to Chicago.
Is anything fragile inside?
No, only clothes and books.
That is fine.
I packed it carefully.
It looks well packed.
Thank you.
Do you want fast or regular shipping?
What is the difference?
Fast is 2 to 3 days.
And regular?
Regular is 5 to 7 days.
I will choose regular.
Okay, I will check weight.
All right.
It is a bit heavy.
Yes, books are heavy.
The cost is $18.
That is fine.
Please write the address.
Okay, I'm writing it.
And return address, please.
Done.
Everything looks correct.
Can I get a receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Ordering food on a plane.
Excuse me, may I ask something?
Yes, how can I help you?
I'm feeling a little hungry.
We are serving meals now.
What options do you have?
Chicken with rice or pasta?
I will take chicken with rice.
Sure, one chicken meal.
Can I have water, please?
Still water or sparkling?
Still water, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Would you like bread?
Yes, please.
Here is some bread.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Does it come with dessert?
Yes, a small cake.
That sounds nice.
Many passengers like it.
How long until landing?
About 1 hour.
That is good.
Is this your first flight with us?
Yes, it is.
How do you feel?
I feel very comfortable now.
I am happy to hear that.
Can I have coffee later?
Yes, of course.